Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Kabbage Insights to your accounting software. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kabbage account. So begin by logging into Kabbage account at kabbage.com and navigate into the Kabbage Insights section. Now once you're there, step 2, locate the integration settings. Now within the Insight dashboard, you want to look for integrations or connect software options. Kabbage allows integration with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks. Step 3, selecting your accounting software. Now just choose the accounting software that you want to use from the list of supported platforms. If you don't see your software listed, you want to check the Kabbage support page for additional integration options or manual upload methods. Step 4, authorize the connection. Now you're going to be prompted to log into your accounting software and authorize Kabbage to access your account data. From the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process, just follow that and it's going to help you to complete the process. Step 5, synchronize your financial data. Now once connected, your financial data from the accounting software will be automatically synchronized with Kabbage Insight. This includes transactions, expenses, and incomes, and the integration ensures that both systems are up to date. Step 6, review and analyze data. Now with your account synchronized, you can view a more comprehensive set of financial insights. Kabbage Insights will now analyze your data from your accounting software, providing you with deeper analytics and better financial decision-making tools. And that's it. You're now successfully connected. You've successfully connected Kabbage Insight to your accounting software to simplify your business financial management. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you found the information useful enough, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.